Well, I don't see any disassembly drones in Sacramento. I might try to send an all-clear message, but I don't want to, cause it could cause someone to retarget Sacramento.
Who's there? At least tell us who you are.
Hold on, who is the forgotten member like you?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sacramento Police Department, in conjunction with the Worker Defense Force, the UN Country Bombers, the Great Mexican-American-Canadian Bombers, the AUYF Chronicles, the United States Government, and the United States Military Services. This is an update. I repeat, this is an update. 2 disassembly drones have been spotted in Sacramento, but they're not the original 3, which is Serial Designation N, Serial Designation J, and Serial Designation V. These 2 have been identified and classed as the forgotten members. Their names appear to be the same original worker drones named Uzi and Thad. Their names appear to be Serial Designation Uzi and Serial Designation Thad. They have been confirmed to be harmless and not dangerous. I repeat, they are harmless and not dangerous. We will give you an update regarding the disassembly drone situation.